Hi, this is Shishi.
Hi, this is Jin Jin.
And it is fall, y'all.
That's right, fall, cool weather, and
we have our pumpkin here.
Our pumpkin, and we are gonna make pumpkin spice mousse cups.
Yes.
And this is good for kids of all ages.
All guys,
including
all
us.
girls.
That's
all
right,
kids.
including us.
Yes, we'll get try it first.
You're gonna love this one. So, okay, so
I like this one because I get to hammer.
that's right. So we've got some ginger snap cookies. And what we did, we took about 15, 20 cookies and put them in a bag. And you can use a rolling pin. Don't smash my finger. She's like, ah! You could just put them in a plastic Ziploc bag. And we've already got these crumbled up a little bit. But, and just pound them with either I have a meat tenderizer that has a smooth side to it, or you could use a heavy rolling pin. And you just want to tap that and get them all crushed up. Yeah, you can roll it out however you'd like to do it. And you don't need to add anything to it. You just set those aside. And we're going to start making our pumpkin spice mousse. So the first thing you're going to want to get is some vanilla instant pudding. And I already got a package here. We're going to open this up.
You are ready.
I am, because I'm craving some pumpkin. It's that time of year.
It is.
So we're going to start off with some pumpkin. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add in our 1.5 cups of milk. So I'm going to let Sheila pour that in. And this is cold milk. And basically you want to take that and whisk that and get all the lumps out completely. Once you get all those lumps out, and then we're going to add in our pumpkin puree. You don't want the pie filling, you want just regular pure pumpkin puree. And you need 1 cup of this, so I'm going to pour this in. And you're going to whisk that all up. When I get out of your way. Ding, ding, ding. I sound like I'm ringing a bell. All right, so you're going to whisk that all together until it's completely whisked up. And then we're going to take some pumpkin spice. And this is great because it's already got the nutmeg and the cinnamon and everything that you want in it, and it doesn't take hardly any time to do. And we're going to take 1.5 teaspoons of this. Now you could either make your own whipped cream, but today we are just getting some Cool Whip, and I've got the extra heavy cream Cool Whip.
You ready for that?
Yeah, we're going to be ready for that. So, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to switch, and I'm going to take this. Look, I'm ringing bells. Ding. Okay.
Dinner bell.
Every time a bell rings,
we come running, don't we?
We come running. Well, that wasn't what I was going to say, but that works too. We do. Every time a bell rings, we come running. Okay, so I want to put about a cup, 8 ounces of this extra creamy whipped cream. Like I said, you can make your own whipped cream if you'd like, but we're just going to do it like this, and it tastes wonderful, and we're going to make it real easy, because that's what we like to do. That's good. And you don't, that's good right there.
Okay.
So you're just going to want to fold this into each other. You don't want to collapse the air out of that. So you just want to fold this over until it's completely mixed up.
You want this thing? For anything?
Nope, I'm good. You go ahead and eat it, Sheila. I know you're wanting to eat that.
Yeah.
Go right ahead. She's like a big kid. I'm telling you, kids of all ages love this. So
that's a proven fact right here.
That's right. So once you get that completely mixed up and fold it over, you're going to take your ginger snaps, and we've got 9-ounce solo cups, just the clear solo cups. These are great when you want to go to a party and you just want to take, instead of taking a pie or a cake or something like that, you can just take these individual cups and everybody gets their own individual dessert. So you just take a couple tablespoons of this in each cup. I didn't quite get a full tablespoon there, so I'm going to just get a little bit more.
Yeah.
So that it looks like that.
More is good.
More is good. That's right. And we just fill those cups up. A little bit, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons, just so that you've got a good base. And these don't have to be completely crumbs. They could be crunchy, and yeah, you want them to be able to mix into your mousse. But the ginger snap gives it a really nice taste. And we're just going to scoop this right into the cup. And you don't have to go all the way up because we're going to put some whipped cream on the top of this. Once we have those done, we're gonna go put these in the refrigerator and let them chill for about 4 hours, and we will put our toppings. We'll be back.
Now we're back, and it was in the fridge for 4 hours, chilling.
Yes, and now we're gonna add some Ready whipped cream.
Because we're ready.
Because we're ready. And we like whipped cream. We're just gonna take this and go eat the whole thing. So, and all you're gonna do, shake that up really well, and you're just gonna do your little toppings. And you could do this a lot, or you can do a little, whatever you like to do. And then we're gonna take the rest of the ginger snap cookie crumbs, and you're just gonna sprinkle it over the top. Even if there's like little chunks of cookie in there, doesn't that look good? And you just sprinkle that on. And then we're gonna take these ginger snap cookies and set them right in the top.
And you can use these for a spoon.
Yes, if you didn't have a spoon, you could just use them as a spoon. I gotta take a picture of this and show everybody what this looks like.
All right.
You ready to try this?
Yes, I am.
All right, you can use the cookie or you can use the spoon.
I'll use a cookie, you use a spoon.
All right,
Ready?
I'm ready. Oh yeah.
Very fluffy.
Doesn't that ginger snap really make it pop?
Fix them to snap it and eat the cookie.
It's really good. If you like pumpkin spice, you are gonna love this. And it's great because, you know, kids are gonna love, and everybody likes to have their own dessert. Kids love this, adults love this. My husband, Sheila loves this. Everybody loves this, and you will. Well, as Steve would say, if this is not the best pumpkin spice mousse cup, if it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching, and thanks for liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
And don't forget to follow us on Facebook
And Twitter.
and Instagram, and visit us on shotgunred.com and submit your recipe, and hopefully we'll use it on the show. And if we do, we will send you a free DVD of the Shotgun Red Show Live.
Yes.
And we're going to continue eating this. We hope everybody has a happy fall. We'll see you all later.
Happy fall, y'all.
Well, that's Shishi and Jen Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time, right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.